Hi all, I am your tarot guide and tarot counselor Harshita. So I'll be sharing roadmap for February month and I'll be sharing the guidance week wise, that first week आपका कैसा रहेगा, second week, third week, fourth week and your fourth week. So let's start with the first week. Lot of new beginnings, divine blessings and mental clarity. I can see that you are mentally very much clear thoughts, and you have a lot of blessings in your plate. There is a new beginning of something, and second week is all about action, travel, lot of planning, and you're very stable, and you are in a position where you have earned a lot. Third week of February, I can see motherly energy, lot of blessings of elders, ancestors. I can also see some thing related to your old house, ancestral house. So overall, third week is all about feeling very emotional satisfaction is also there, and emotions are also on the surface. Fourth week, I can see you are very independent, you earn, you are a good mother, you are a good wife, and you are very practical, nurturing, you have a very nurturing kind of energy. So a lot of creativity I can see in the month of February, that you are very creative and you want to work with your creative ideas. You are going ahead. Lot of new beginning again I'm seeing. Again I'm seeing some emotions, and you just need to receive from above, receive मतलब you need to open. आपको अपनी रिसेप्टिविटी लेने की जो आपकी क्षमता है उसको ओपन करना है. यू जस्ट नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू रिसीव फ्रॉम यूनिवर्स से कैसे रिसीव करते हैं. Third week, I can see a lot of voices, outer voices that will disturb you. You will not feel well. But once you control on your emotions, जब आप meditate करेंगे, बैठेंगे खुद के साथ, तो आपकी जो भी outer voices हैं जो आपको परेशान कर रही हैं वो शांत हो जाएंगी. And वैसे भी I have seen कि there are a lot of messages for you जो आपको meditate करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. And fourth week, you will be feeling like I have achieved everything. Fourth week of February, end of February, but there is a lot of laziness and illusion. You have not achieved. There is ending of something, and you really need to start with something new. Okay, affirmation for you is believe in yourself. So if you are somewhere lacking in your belief system, so the message from angels and divines is believe in yourself. Message from Krishna is believe in yourself and your capabilities. You have some past issues and events that you are holding into your heart, and that are creating bitterness into your body and soul. So here piece of advice is turn everything into forgiveness. Forgive people around you and be kind towards yourself and your surroundings. So forgive and heal yourself. Open yourself to receivings. Give love with all your heart. Okay, so somewhere your heart chakra, आपका heart chakra blocked है, and when you forgive that other person, you will be able to flow that love easily. आप easily प्यार को receive कर पाएंगे and दे पाएंगे. But still अभी वहाँ पे कुछ blockages हैं जो आपको उन पे काम करना है. Then I can see you have a very good quality. आप बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती हैं, and through बनाते हैं, and through your cooking skills you can heal yourself and others. You can be a nutrition also. Somewhere you are too much attached to something. So here message from Archangel Raphael is you can pray him to help you to detach, so that you can give yourself retreat and let go of the patterns that you are not able to heal. So once you will deal with the patterns, आप एक बार let go करना शुरू करेंगे, आर्कएंजल रफाइल को प्रे करेंगे, तो आपकी हीलिंग होना शुरू हो जाएगी. समवेयर इफ यू आर फीलिंग आप सेफ नहीं हैं, तो आपके एंजल्स द्वारा आपको मैसेज दिया जा रहा है, यू आर सेफ. आई एम प्रोटेक्टिंग यू अगेंस्ट लोअर एनर्जीज and guarding you and your loved ones and your home. So Archangel Michael is not only guiding you, but your home, your children's, you are safe. Animal spirit guide. So you can chant, Liger Spirit, evolve me to creative connections. Create connections. Somewhere you are lacking in connections and Liger Spirit आपको help करेगा ताकि आपके connections बने with ease. Okay, your connections will evolve. मैसेज फ्रॉम ग्रेट गोल्डन स्पिरिट गाइड हनुमान जी, आपन तेज संहारो आपे, तीनों लोग हाँकते कापे. समवेयर हनुमान जी आपको बोलना चाहते हैं कि आप बहुत पावरफुल हैं, अपनी एनर्जीज पे बिलीव करिए. ओके, एंड मैसेज फ्रॉम गणेशा इज, जो भी सोल्यूशन आप बाहर ढूंढ रहे हैं, मेडिटेट करिए. ऑल द आंसर्स आर विद इन यू बिकॉज गणेशा हैज़ ब्लेस्ड यू विथ लॉट ऑफ विजडम. तो अगर कहीं पे आपको लगता है कि मुझे आंसर नहीं मिल रहा है, खुद के साथ बैठिए, मेडिटेट करिए और अलोन टाइम बहुत सारा बिताइए एंड आस्क गणेशा टू असिस्ट यू एंड गेट योर आंसर्स. Lot of love coming into your life into month of February. You have magic, you are magical being, trust in your magic. Somewhere again there is a lack of trust. Again आउल आया है तो आपके पास बहुत सारी पुरानी विजडम है, उसको यूज़ करिए. एंड आउल इज़ ऑल्सो फॉर मनी, सो मे बी यू विल बी रिसीविंग लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन द month of February. Thank you and I'll be waiting for your comments. Hope you like the video.